A lot of it is us just giving ourselves permission to buy, as moms especially. I always had the heart of an entrepreneur. I knew that I had all of this creativity inside of me that I wasn't able to express. You get clarity through action, not through thought. I took acting classes. I started businesses. I started blogs. All of these things were the things that kind of got me through those days where I felt like my soul was being sucked out of me. I sat down one night and I thought, what can I do differently? And the first thing I thought of was, I need to get dressed. Like, just get up in the morning and put on some clothes. Most of us actually have more functional wardrobes than we even realize.
All of these pieces in our closet, when really it boils down to what is the piece in your closet right now that makes you feel most confident.
I recommend starting with your bottoms, with your favorite pair of jeans, and then start pairing them up with multiple items in your closet.
Okay, so the Style Challenge is an online styling program that gives women affordable access to a personal stylist.
I am a rebel when it comes to fashion rules. I like to say, don't dress in what feels age appropriate, dress in what feels you appropriate.
Like, it's amazing the confidence that can come from just one small change or one small thing that it just makes all the difference.